Hello friends, welcome. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. Friends, let's see how to fix the graphics card GPU card on your desktop PC. So I have this 3060 card from GeForce RTX from Colorful, and it is 12 GB card, and I'm going to fix it on the PC. So for this you will need this card and some connectivity. So this card can be put directly to the graphics slot also, but if you have the bigger cabinet you can do that. In case you have smaller cabinet, or if you want to have more than one card fixed in the PC, you have to take use of the riser card. So the riser card is actually this card, and this is already fixed here, and it comes with the USB cable connectivity and the power cord connectivity. So you will need the power cables for this card and the SMPS, which can provide power supply to the card, and the USB connectivity cable for the graphics data. So this card will be fixed and will be useful for playing games, and for in many cases people do mining. So in GPU mining also this card is very effective. So let's fix it. The USB connectivity which I will put to the AGP slot. So this is the not AGP, the graphics card slot, the new graphics card slot. So this is here, this I will fix to the graphics card slot, and this USB cable will be given to the card. So here is the USB power or USB connectivity. So I have this USB connectivity cable, and one end is to the riser card which is connected to the graphics card, and the other end will go to the graphics card output or graphics card slot on the PC. Here you can see here. So this is the slot 1, 2, 3. So I will put it here in the first slot like this, or like this. So it will go like this. Make sure the connections should be proper and tight enough to avoid any kind of connectivity issues. And other end, as I said, will go to this USB on the riser card. So I put it here. So now this card is here. So only the thing now I have to make the power cable available for this. So cables are here with the SMPS, power supply SMPS is there. So with this you can have this here fixed here. I will connect it and show it to you. Let's keep it here, and these are the various connectivity power supplies from SMPS. So we will put here 8-pin cable is here. So we will give the power supply using that, and one power supply will be given to this also, 6-pin to the riser card. So let's connect it. I will fix this 8-pin, 6 plus 2 8 to this. See, this is how you should fix it, and it will slide down to this slot. So it will slide down to the slot. Fix it so it doesn't come out. It is fixed properly. So I have power in place for the card. I have USB cable placed in both the place and the PC and on the graphics card. Another thing is 6-pin input power supply to the riser card, this one. And you can see this power connection cable will slide down to this riser card slot. So this is done. So make sure all the connections are tight enough, it should not come out. Now I have placed the card and hanged it on the cabinet. It should be hanged and should not be closed in the cabinet, because I avoid it because it gets heated, and it is important that it get proper air and should cool down properly. So in order to do that, I keep the cabinet open, and it should not get much heated. So fans are there to control the heat also. So I will do here, and some more cards are there. so I can place it later also. So it is hanged here, you can see it is properly fixed, and I will switch it on and it will be ready for use. Now you can see friends, I have switched on the PC and it is getting started. You see system is still booting up, and I have turned the graphics card so it will remain partially inside. So once it gets started, we can check it. Friends, right click on the start menu and go to device manager. The device manager, and you have to install the proper driver for your GPU card. So graphics card driver, after you install it, you can check it under the display adapters. So if it is installed, you can see NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 is ready to use in your PC. So you have to install the appropriate driver, correct driver for the card. So now you can check the health and the properties. Is device is working properly, it is installed and enabled. So this is how you can set up the graphics card and install the graphics card in your computer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.